Welcome back. There it is, cut out, turned inside out. I need to stitch a little gap in the bottom, but I can just turn it the right way to show you the finished stocking. I'll just use my favourite artery forceps to just operate on it a bit further and push it through and push all the corners out nicely. Then all that we'll want is a bit of a press just to finish it off. But before I stop filming, I want to just show you another little trick which I've tried. There we have it with its nice stocking top, and it's 4 different pieces of fabric and fully lined with no seams showing. This is the very biggest size which I've tried out. Rather like that one. And for this one, instead of just putting a piece of plain fabric on the back, I actually joined a piece of fleece on. When I put it on the top, I just lined the 2 seams up, so it was dead easy. Hope you enjoy making yours.